I'm going to show you how you can use the unique function with your data. So I would like to find the unique departments here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go equals and unique. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of my departments. And then I'm going to close this and press enter. And there you have all of the different departments. Now, what if you had many? So let's go back up to the formula and let's put a sort in here. So if you had hundreds, you'd probably be an advantage to sort it. So let's go sort. And then I'm going to put a bracket around this. And I'm going to put a bracket around that. And there we go. And now it's in alphabetical order. Now, this is a dynamic list. So let's add a department on here. Now, how can you have an organization without an information department, information systems? So let me put in information here. And you know what? It's automatically entered there. So try the unique and sort functions in Excel. They work well. Please subscribe.